I'm so blind.
Get fucking assassinated, Bin Laden cunt.
Oh, can I get a gun?
Me my ass.
Dude,
Yeah.
nice.
Ooh, ladder trick. Didn't expect that one, did you? One. Oh my god.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
Serious? I can drop you this if you want.
Seriously.
Hey Warel,
What's up?
I love you.
I love you too.
What's the biggest wheat brick you've ever eaten?
Apocalypse Horn. That's what they call my dick. All we hear is the screams of the dying. It's me, Bear Grylls. Today, I'm gonna try and survive the red light district.
How many Brighton hookers can I fuck?
I called in sector artillery in this spot.
Hey, thanks, man. Hey, no problem, brother.
Van is your wife, right?
Yeah.
Word.
He's my spicy little Japanese twink boy. Crocodile over here, Race.
You fucking crook.
Holy fuck! Oh, get it out of here!
I'm in danger. Oh God, I got 3. I got 4.
Right in the kidneys.
Hey, Black Nick.
Fuck.
I don't know.
Your penis has lots of protein.
Get him, Nick. Hit him with a little pea shooter. Oh God.
Oh god, I just appeared behind.
Whoa, I didn't lag out. I just disappeared, so I actually... One guy.
Oh, please.
He won! What? Oh, jeez.
Hey, what? You guys at B or what?
I'm at C right now. Gamer! And I got kicked for his slot. Oh, you were, wait, hold on a second. You were kicked from the game by admin due to latency. That's a sweet cover up, bro. God. I'm not gonna do that. Need he model.
I want Squidward tentacles to bore me.
Uh-oh. Tall guy just messaged me in all caps. Do me a favor.
Suck my fucking dick.
I can feel it coming in here tonight. Oh Lord.
You're really gonna kick me out of your squad? What a dick. I remember that.
This plane must be so low. Oh, I sniped somebody out of it.
Andy, being gay with Colt is my meme. Can you like step on?
I think
I
it's
literally
a
do that.
shared meme.
You can't own being gay.